In this video, we will learn how to encrypt the text in Python using hashlib library on our Ubuntu terminal. I will use gedit editor to create our script. I will type gedit and then the name of our script, encrypt.py or encrypt script.py. And first I need to import hashlib, and then I can declare a variable to hold the text inside, the text we want to encrypt. And then I will call text methods encode function to encode this string as a byte string, and here I will save it in other variable. And now I'm going to use hashlib's MD5 function to get back MD5. Now I need to call MD5's update function and pass in our encrypt text, the text we want to encrypt. Encrypt string. And now I need to call MD5's function digest. And if you want to print and see how your text looks, you can print it with print function and pass in m.digest. If you want to print this one in hexadecimal, the encrypted string, we can call this function hexdigest. So we are going to use or call hexdigest. And now we just need to run our program. We can type Python and name of our script, encrypt script.py. You can see its encrypted value in hex. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us, and thank you for watching.